Diksha Arora for doing the help for the audio sessions. Thank you so much. You are the senior most German teacher in German Gyan. Thank you. Hi guys, you are watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain and guys, today I am again here for you with another part of Thema series. So guys, if you haven't watched part 1, part 2, part 3, then guys, link will be in your bio. Please do check it out. In fact, I will be putting a I link here or here itself. So do check it out, all the Thema series, because all the Thema topics are super duper important. Especially this topic which I am gonna tell you today is like wow, because this is a most common, like next to next person they will be asking this thema is super duper interesting and a very demanding. So you can name this topic as a Urlaub, Reisen, traveling, vacation, anything. So yes, today's topic is Urlaub oder Reisen. So are you excited? Because this gonna help you so much, because I think so Goethe is about to open. I am not confirming you, but yes, it is about to open, so I will confirm you once it is done. So why not? You should be prepared for the exams if you are planning, and you should be done and you should be confident with all. That's the only reason I have started this Thema series for A2, B1, B2. For A2 you can hear it and make your speaking skills and hearing skills improved, and for B1 and B2 you can improve all over. So yes, let's start with this video. So guys, if you are new on my channel, then you know what you have to do. Subscribe right now so that you can get the notification first, and yes, you can watch all my videos, because all my videos are for Germany students, Germany visa, German language, each and everything, for online live session classes, for everything you will be getting a solution over this platform. So one solution to all your queries. So I hope you will love this thema, because this is a most demanding one from your side. So let's begin without wasting time. Let's get into the video.
Ich habe mich für das Thema Reisen entschieden, da es mich sehr interessiert. Ich möchte dazu Stellung nehmen. Ich habe mich für das Thema Reisen entschieden, da es mich sehr interessiert. Ich möchte dazu Stellung nehmen. Reisen macht wahnsinnig viel Spaß. Wir brauchen den Urlaub, um sich zu erholen. Reisen macht wahnsinnig viel Spaß. Wir brauchen den Urlaub, um sich zu erholen. Ich möchte eine Reise machen. Menschen reisen zu unterschiedlichen Zwecken, zum Beispiel Geschäftsreisen, Familienreisen, Urlaubsreisen und so weiter. Jeder möchte eine Reise machen. Menschen reisen zu unterschiedlichen Zwecken, zum Beispiel Geschäftsreisen, Familienreisen, Urlaubsreisen und so weiter. Es gibt vielfältige Möglichkeiten wie Bus, Auto, Flugzeug. 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 Sie werden das Land verstehen, in das Sie reisen. Sie werden das Land verstehen, in das Sie reisen. Außerdem kann man leckere Spezialitäten erfahren. Das ist doch sehr interessant. Außerdem kann man leckere Spezialitäten erfahren. Das ist doch sehr interessant. Wir erleben fremde Länder und Orte, exotische Kulturen, großartige Abenteuer. Wir erleben fremde Länder und Orte, exotische Kulturen, großartige Abenteuer. Meiner Meinung nach sollte man reisen, wenn man Geld und Zeit hat und sich nach der interessanten Reise besser fühlt. Dann konzentriert man sich gut auf die Arbeit oder das Studium. Meiner Meinung nach sollte man reisen, wenn man Geld und Zeit hat und sich nach der interessanten Reise besser fühlt, dann konzentriert man sich gut auf die Arbeit oder das Studium. Zusammenfassend möchte ich bemerken, dass man alle Möglichkeiten in Anspruch nehmen soll, um eine Reise zu machen, aber jeder kann sich entscheiden, was am besten zu ihm passt. Zusammenfassend möchte ich bemerken, dass man alle Möglichkeiten in Anspruch nehmen soll, um eine Reise zu machen, aber jeder kann sich entscheiden, was am besten zu ihm passt.
Guys, you love this thema because I loved while I was making it, while I was waiting, while I was creating and making all the themas topics. Oh my god, I was so much excited for this. I hope you liked this thema and you enjoyed it. You have learned a lot of things. I hope you have paused it and you have repeat all the sentences with the sound. I hope, because that will only help you. So if you haven't done this, then go back and speak. Like there is one line, there is a loud, so you have to pause it and speak it again. If you are not able to speak, then hear it again, then speak it again. In this way, it will help you 100%, guys. So what are you waiting for? Just go. And yes, VFS office is open for limited things. So guys, I am getting a lot of questions for VFS office for Goethe. So Goethe right now is not open and VFS office is open with the limited things. So yeah, I will be keeping updating you with the new things, whatever it will be coming. So stay tuned. And yes, Germany travel is on. So if you are planning to go Germany, personally is having a huge discount for you for the air ticketing with planned traveling. If you travel, if you book your tickets with planned traveling for Germany, then yes, by coupon code GermanGyan, you'll be getting a huge discount. So what are you just book your tickets with planned traveling and get travel to Germany. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm coming live on Tuesday at 9 p.m. So I'm super duper excited. On 15th, I'm coming live at 9 p.m. in evening. This timing I have changed just because of you, so that more and more people can join in that live session and ask me all the queries, because I love solving all your queries. So yes, let's meet on Tuesday, and after that Saturday again new video will be coming. So stay tuned. Until then, keep learning German with GermanGyan. Tschüss.